Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to do a morning cleaning routine. My toddler is here. You'll see her throughout the video. And I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, I would love if you subscribe. I put out videos 3 days a week and one of them is always a cleaning video. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. I also have a blog for you to check out, or irishfamily.com. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what this awesome cleaning routine is like.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover I met you, when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the heart chasing me through the air. You loved like you didn't care. Different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of love. A different kind, a different kind of such a different kind of a different kind of such a different kind
That's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, I would love if you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. As I said, I do have a blog, ourIrishFamily.com. I also have an Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and all the links to those social medias will be linked in the description box. If you are looking for more cleaning videos, I have some more cleaning videos in my description box. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.